Alright, so we are in the Sindu night market. We're gonna have some dinner today, street food dinner. Just Winnie finished her work today, yes, honey?
Yeah, I'm super tired and I just feel like, oh, I wanna eat satay and
Some local
Damian
food.
feel like want to eat noodle mie ayam.
Okay, so that's how it looks. The sitting area, as you see, really not so many people around. I have a mie ayam. Winnie ordered some satay. Here is the guy doing the frying the nasi goreng, martabak, many things, lovely stuff. Pisang gorengan, fruit, juice, satay over here. Really very cozy as always, but I think it's definitely much more quiet than previous times when we were here. Last time we were sitting here actually, over there. So my tasty mie ayam arrived. Take bottle of course, and sayang have rice with satay ayam, yes?
Sate ayam. Smacznego,
Oh,
selamat makan.
smacznego.
Alright, so we just finished dinner in the Sindu night market and then we just decided to have a walk, stroll around Sanur,
Yeah.
Jalan Danau Tamblingan at night. Well, basically it's just 7:30 p.m. dinner time, but yeah.
But seems like it's very quiet. Anyway, we will show you a little bit around situation in Sanur. This is the new restaurant called Forchetta. I don't know, they have a nice gelato here, that's what I know. And here at the front is Cafe Smorkas. Also very famous place in Sanur. Many of you guys know this place. Looks like this. Not that busy. Here is some Instagram.
Hi!
And yeah, that's kind of look like.
When we walk, we just found out one guy with her kid. Let's see.
Here we go. This is the guy. This is the kid.
Halo Pak. Pak, mau kita ke Hardi sebentar? Saya mau beliin beras buat Bapak. Bisa? Yuk. So yeah, I just asked him we will go to the Hardee's and I will buy something for him. Hello. Oh, berapa umurnya?
6 tahun.
6 tahun. Oh, she is here. So, ayo Pak. Okay, so I feel sorry to him. He has to work, you know, like collecting rubbish and yeah, collecting the stuff. And then look, he also took her daughter at night time. The daughter is actually 6 years old and he has to take with him wherever he goes. She's such a cute girl. So I decided to go to Hardee's or Artasdana to buy him rice. So hopefully that, yeah.
Little help, right?
Little help from him.
Check this out. So cute and so sad at the same time actually.
Saya
Hard times
tadi
in Bali. Alright, we went to Artasdana, which is ex Hardy's shop. We're gonna buy some food for him and his kid. But meanwhile, check this out. How's the situation in the market? Oh, long time I didn't been here, to be honest, and it seems deserted. Really super quiet. Nobody. Here you can make a selfie with the truck, but honestly, look at that. Nobody in the market. Nobody. Got some rice, eggs, noodles, oil, probably over here also. We're gonna take at least little bit. Maybe he will have some food for a few days, right, honey?
yeah.
So that's okay. Meanwhile, really quiet here also.
So yeah, we bought some goodies, eggs, noodles, rice. Look at this Artasdana or Hardee's.
I don't wanna say that, but this shop looks super scary, empty, you know, guys.
He's waiting with his
Here we go.
daughter.
No problem, my friend, ya.
Nggih. Ya, semoga bisa digunakan nggih.
Kebaikan ibu dibalas sama Tuhan.
Terima kasih banyak. Bapak hati-hati ya di jalan ya.
Oh, that's so cute.
So nice
Okay,
ya.
take care ya.
Iya, hati-hati Pak. So, yeah, he told me that he is walking from, you know, like 6 p.m. in the afternoon until 12 midnight, 1 midnight. Can you imagine that?
With his kid.
His daughter from Sanur there until the end, and then coming back again to Denpasar because he's living in the Denpasar city and the daughter stay inside there. You see? Have a look.
Yeah, inside the trolley.
Look
the
how
trolley
he
box.
put his daughter.
Yeah, that's how it looked like.
Ah, she said bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Makasih.
Bye-bye.
Hati-hati ya. Ya, hati-hati. Oh my God, I don't know, I feel like, I know that when I was a child, my dad also struggled. Life is not easy.
Yeah, life
But
is really not easy.
when
yeah.
I see, you know, how he has to struggle for life, I don't know, when I was walking, I just feel like when we were, you know, walking from the road and then we just stopped, decided just to buy something for them.
Yeah, that's really big struggle, you know, guys. Yeah, this is the real example. But this guy have really huge respect from me and from Winnie, of course. No matter of what, no matter how hard he is, he didn't give up. So yeah, stay strong, guys. All right, back to the current situation. The coffee kiosk and pharmacy is still on business, and yeah, the leather shop, Circle K, this area, if you're familiar, it's a bit quiet, guys. It's not midnight or something, otherwise the coffee kiosk will be closed, but look at that, it's just quiet. Very quiet, guys. The current situation. All right, here is something new, restaurants called Snori, Sushi and Asian Kitchen. This is actually a Japanese restaurant. We were there already once or twice. It's very nice, really affordable, and there is the sandal shop, of course. But after that, not much is happening. Here is the also restaurant, but open but quiet. And at the front is the Swastika Hotel. As you see, all dark, very dark, and very quiet. Can you hear the sound of silence in Sanur actually right now? This is like walking on the middle of the street and nothing is happening, guys. Yeah, what should I say? All right, we decide to having some lovely gelato here. This is the new place. Looks nice. What did you order, honey?
Chocolate and tiramisu.
Chocolate and tiramisu. All right, we will see. And it's quite busy actually in this restaurant over here, which is actually surprise. That means my that's how it looks. This is delivery pizza guy delivery somewhere going around. How is it? Nice?
How good?
All right. How are you, my friend, today? All good? Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Give me a milk chocolate and this one mixed berry. Thank you. We're here in gelato. That's how it looks. The situation in Sanur in general right now. Yeah.
I think that's all our video today from Sanur. This is how our daily life is. Thank you for watching.
And see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.